So let me tell y'all my secret to natural, healthy, glowing skin. Handcrafted soap. When I tell y'all, since I've been making my own soap, my skin has been healthy ever since. Commercial-based soaps do not take the time to put love in their soap. Most soaps are made in a factory by a machine. When I tell you I put so much energy and love into my bars, you will fall in love when you bathe in my soap. All my soaps are made with organic oils and butters, and all my soaps are personally handmade by me, infused with Reiki healing. This is 2024. We have to start getting bougie with our soap and our skincare. If you're going to be more mindful with your food, you need to be more mindful what you put on your skin. Your skin is your largest organ. It doesn't matter how healthy you are eating. If you're still putting chemicals on your skin, you need to rethink your life. So what we doing this year? Being more mindful with our soap. So click the link in our bio. Love you.